Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add circle above letter in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add circle above a letter in this document. Go to the page and write something. Then go to the insert menu and click symbol option, then choose more symbol. Then select the font, normal text and subset combining diacritical marks. Then select the circle or use the ring above, then insert it, then close the window. Otherwise you apply the combining ring above, insert it, then click close. Now we can see here we add circle above this letter very easily. You can change the font size and apply another style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.